offset, all you need to do is go to edit, and over here let's go to the effects, and let's go to the outline, and let's go to the border style. Let's make it more like this. Let's change the color of the border and make it more like white, and make sure you make the background like a little bit darker color. Let's go to the border again, and let's increase the border weight. So yeah, this is how you offset in Canva. So this is the clean image. You can use it in the one with the outline, with the no background image. It works better in that. So yeah, I hope this video is helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.